Yeah.
So guys, today we have new thing, Airpods, Apple Airpods. It's wireless, okay, with wireless charging case. So guys, before going ahead, please hit the like button for all our videos, subscribe it, share our videos, and so guys, here is the manual book, okay, which we never go through. It's simple, easy to use. Here is the Apple Airpod. Means wirelessly you can listen to songs. No need of junky wires. So here is the Apple Airpod case. This is the case of Apple Airpod, and here is one dot. It shows you like it will blink green light. It means it's charging or it has charge. If it is red, it will show it as there is no charge. So have you ever used this one?
Yeah.
So guys, this is the one side. So no wires, it's wireless. And this one is the next side. Okay. So I'll ask my friend
Looking so classic.
Nand Kumar to get it closer. The look is also so premium. Okay. So here you can see, like if I'm putting this, you can see one green light will blink. Here, see. I hope you can see it clearly. Okay. So once you are putting this two in the case, it will charge automatically, and it will give you at least 10 hours of listening. And suppose this is the charging case. Okay.
And it is coming with magnetic also.
Yeah, so it's magnetic. Means I'm not putting forcefully. I'm just putting it here. It will take it immediately. Okay. Next is this right side. So it's magnetic, and it looks really awesome. You know, that's why Apple is Apple. You can't compare with any other. So it means charge is there, green light. If it is dead, means it will blink red light. So if you are using this, suppose left side and right side here. So while listening to the song, you can just tap here to go to the next song. And if you are taking out one, the music will pause there. And if you are putting again, automatically it starts again. And if you want to activate Siri, just click here, one button is there, just click here for a longer, just a few seconds, Siri will start. Or you can say by, hey Siri, what's the weather today, or any other command you can. Any other thing you would like to discuss?
And we can show it then. It is later connected.
So guys, this one is if you are talking about the good things, this one is having Hey Siri, and the charging also it got improved. This one is the version 2, not version 1. And this one you got it from our one of the seller. They have given us for the review. So guys, this one is really awesome product, exciting, and it will make your
if you look
life
at the better
easier.
brand, so and if you have a good budget and all that, you definitely could go for this.
Yes. And I think the next year they are coming up with water resistance. If it is falling under the water, also it's water resistant. And this one, the look and feel is remarkable. Can't compare. Only the thing is, it's white color, so it will catch dust, immediately.
It is the only one.
But that's common.
Is
As it is white and premium, obviously you need to clean it, and always you need to clean it up, and sophisticatedly you can use it. So guys, this one is a product from Apple Airpod, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button, and please share with your friends, subscribe it, and if you have any queries, doubts, you can comment below. We will definitely answer to that. So guys, we are looking forward to get more subscribers,
Please subscribe, share, and
from your end. And so myself, Rahul,
myself Varghese.
my friend Varghese, and cameraman is my friend Nandkumar. So guys, please like it, subscribe it, share it, comment below, and do check out all our other videos on phones, gadgets, bikes accessories, many other things. So thank you so much for watching our video.